Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chemistry Aspirant. Now in today's lecture we are going to learn about a formation of phosphorus pentachloride molecule by sp3d hybridization process. So in the previous lecture we have learned about a formation of a different molecule by sp hybridization. The same steps are also we are going to follow during the formation of this sp3d hybridization process. So let us start with the formation of phosphorus pentachloride molecule. So the first step that we generally involve is the molecular formula of phosphorus pentachloride molecule. The molecular formula of phosphorus pentachloride is PCl5. Now we know that in the phosphorus pentachloride molecule there is a 1 phosphorus atom and a 5 chlorine atom, in which the phosphorus is the central atom which undergoes the hybridization process. So this is about the step first, that is nothing but a general idea about the molecular formula. Now let's start with the next step, that is our second step, the ground state electronic configuration of the phosphorus atom. Ground state electronic configuration of the phosphorus atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2 and 3p3d0. I have shown this ground state electronic configuration in this square box form. After observing the ground state electronic configuration for the phosphorus atom, the number of unpaired electron in the phosphorus atom is 3. But we know that phosphorus pentachloride molecule will form by the 5 phosphorus chlorine bond. Hence, the expected valency is not equals to the observed valency, as the phosphorus form a 5 bond. Hence, there will be the excitation of electron takes place during the formation of this phosphorus pentachloride molecule, which is our next step. So the step second, that is the excited state electronic configuration of the phosphorus atom. So here in this formation of phosphorus pentachloride molecule, there is a 5 PCl bond. Hence, the 1 electron from the 3s atomic orbital, by absorbing the energy, get promoted to the next energy level, that is a 1 3d vacant atomic orbital, and forms the excited state. Now if we observe the excited state electronic configuration for this phosphorus atom, here the number of unpaired electron will be 5, as the number of unpaired electrons are 5. Hence here the expected valency will be the 5 and observed valency is also the 5. So this is a simple excited state formation during the formation of PCl5 molecule. This is our third step. So now let us consider the next step, that is the hybridization process. So here in this hybridization process, the 1 3s atomic orbital, 3 3p atomic orbital and a 1 3d atomic orbital, each atomic orbital containing unpaired electron undergoes sp3d hybridization process and forms a 5 sp3d hybrid orbital with a equivalent nature. These 5 hybrid orbital arrange in a 3-dimensional space in such manner. So out of that 5 sp3d hybrid orbital, the 3 sp3d hybrid orbital lie in a one plane in an equilateral triangle, while the remaining 2 sp3 hybrid orbital lie above and below, which is perpendicular to that equilateral triangle, which I have shown in this diagrammatic representation. So this is a simple hybridization process. So in the hybridization process, we obtain the 5 sp3d hybrid orbital with a equivalent nature. Now let us consider the next step, that is the bond formation step. So if we consider atomic number of the chlorine atom, it is 17 and its electronic configuration will be the 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, then 3s2 and 3px2, 3py2 and 3pz1. So here the 3pZ1 atomic orbital of each chlorine atom contain the unpaired electron. So the 5sp3d hybrid orbital of a phosphorus atom overlap axially with a 3pZ atomic orbital of a 5-chlorine atom and forms a 5pCl5 sigma bond, which lead to the formation of PCl5 molecule. So this is a simple bond formation step that I have represented in this diagrammatic representation one, which leads to the formation of phosphorus pentachloride molecule by sp3d p overlap. So this is about a bond formation step. Now next step, that is geometry and the bond angle. The geometry of PCl5 is trigonal bipyramidal. Now in this trigonal bipyramidal geometry, the 3 hybrid orbital lie in a one plane and the 2 are perpendicular to that plane, that is above and below. The bond angle in the PCl5 molecule is found to be 120 degree and 90 degree. The 120 degree bond angle is found in a one plane, that is Cl bond angle, which is present in a one plane is a 120 degree, while the bond angle in which the Cl bond angle, that means above this plane or below this plane, it will be the 90 degree. So this is about a geometry and the bond angle which is formed during the formation of PCl5 molecule. This is about a formation of phosphorus pentachloride molecule by sp3d hybridization process. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video.